1. Who was the first woman president of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Meera Kumar. Your correct answer is option B, Pratibha Patil. She served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sucheta Kripalni. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Annie Besant. Your correct answer is option C, Indira Gandhi. She became Prime Minister in 1966 and served for 2 terms. Who was the first woman Governor of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. D. Sucheta Kripalni. Your correct answer is option A, Sarojini Naidu. She became the Governor of Uttar Pradesh in 1947. 4. Who was the first woman Speaker of the Lok Sabha? A. Meera Kumar. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Sonia Gandhi. D. Indira Gandhi. Your correct answer is option A, Meera Kumar. She held the position from 2009 to 2014. 5. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? A. Laila Seth. B. Fatima Bibi. C. Indu Malhotra. D. Ruma Pal. Your correct answer is option B, Fatima Bibi. She was appointed in 1989. 6. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. C. Sucheta Kripalni. D. Indira Gandhi. Your correct answer is option C, Sucheta Kripalni. She served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 1963 to 1967. 7. Who was the first woman IPS officer in India? A. Durba Banerjee. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Kiran Bedi. D. Indira Jaising. Your correct answer is option C, Kiran Bedi. She joined the Indian Police Service in 1972. 8. Who was the first Indian woman astronaut? A. Sunita Williams. B. Rakesh Sharma. C. Kalpana Chawla. D. Gagandeep Khan. Your correct answer is option C, Kalpana Chawla. She flew on her first space mission in 1997. 9. Who was the first woman Nobel laureate from India? A. Mother Teresa. B. Amartya Sen. C. Malala Yousafzai. D. Sarojini Naidu. Your correct answer is option A, Mother Teresa. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. 10. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Premlata Agrawal. B. Arunima Sinha. C. Bachendri Pal. D. Deepa Malik. Your correct answer is option C, Bachendri Pal. She achieved this feat in 1984. 11. Who was the first woman Finance Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Nirmala Sitharaman. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Sucheta Kripalni. Your correct answer is option B, Nirmala Sitharaman. She was appointed in 2019. 12. Who was the first woman to win an Olympic medal for India? A. Saina Nehwal. B. Mary Kom. C. P.V. Sindhu. D. Karnam Malleshwari. Your correct answer is option D, Karnam Malleshwari. She won a bronze medal in weightlifting at the 2000 Sydney Olympics. 13. Who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Mother Teresa. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Pratibha Patil. Your correct answer is option C, Indira Gandhi. She received the honor in 1971. 14. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss World title? A. Rita Faria. B. Aishwarya Rai. C. Priyanka Chopra. D. Lara Datta. Your correct answer is option A. Rita Faria. She won the title in 1966. 15. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Annie Besant. C. Indira Gandhi. D. 6. Jayalakshmi Pandit. Your correct answer is option B. Annie Besant. She held the position in 1917. 16. Who was the first woman pilot in the Indian Air Force? A. Harita Kaur Deol. B. Gunjan Saxena. C. Avni Chaturvedi. D. Durba Banerjee. Your correct answer is option A. Harita Kaur Deol. She was the first woman to join the Indian Air Force as a pilot in 1991. 17. Who was the first woman DGP, Director General of Police, in India? A. Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. B. Kiran Bedi. C. Aruna Roy. D. Durga Shakti Nagpal. Your correct answer is option A. Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. She became the first woman DGP of an Indian state in 2004. 18. Who was the first woman Vice-Chancellor of an Indian university? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Dr. Chandrakala A. Hait. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Fatima Bibi. Your correct answer is option B. Dr. Chandrakala A. Hait. She became the first woman Vice-Chancellor of an Indian university in 1982. 19. Who was the first woman President of the UN General Assembly? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Jayalakshmi Pandit. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Pratibha Patil. Your correct answer is option B. Jayalakshmi Pandit. She served as president in 1953. 20. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Grammy Award? A. Tanvi Shah. B. Chandrika Tandon. C. A. R. Rahman. D. Reena Gupta. Your correct answer is option A. Tanvi Shah. She won a Grammy in 2009 for her contributions to A. R. Rahman's album. 21. Who was the first Indian woman to lead the Indian Army? A. Neelam Verma. B. Shanti Sethi. C. Dr. Indira Jaisingh. D. General K. S. K. Thakur. Your correct answer is option A. Neelam Verma. She served as the Chief of Staff of the Indian Army. 22. Who was the first woman to serve as India's External Affairs Minister? A. Sushma Swaraj. B. Indira Gandhi. C. 6. Jayalakshmi Pandit. D. Pratibha Patil. Your correct answer is option A. Sushma Swaraj. She became the External Affairs Minister in 2014. 23. Who was the first woman to become the Chief Justice of India? A. Laila Seth. B. Fatima Bibi. C. Indu Malhotra. D. Ruma Pal. Your correct answer is option C. Indu Malhotra. She became the first woman to be appointed as a Supreme Court judge in 2018. 24. Who was the first woman to receive the Padma Bhushan Award in India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Lata Mangeshkar. C. Mother Teresa. D. Rukmini Devi Arundale. Your correct answer is option D. Rukmini Devi Arundale. She received the Padma Bhushan in 1956. 25. Who was the first woman boxer from India to win an Asian Games gold medal? A. Mary Kom. B. Sushmita Sen. C. Pooja Rani. D. Aishwarya Dhanraj. Your correct answer is option A. Mary Kom. She won the gold medal at the 2014 Asian Games. 26. Who was the first woman to head the Indian Parliament's lower house? A. Sonia Gandhi. B. Meera Kumar. C. Harsimrat Kaur Badal. D. Pratibha Patil. Your correct answer is option B, Meera Kumar. She became the first woman Speaker of the Lok Sabha in 2009. 27. Who was the first woman to command an Indian Army unit? A. Gunjan Saxena. B. Harita Kaur Deol. C. Archana Suryavanshi. D. Brigadier Shilpi Chaudhary. Your correct answer is option D, Brigadier Shilpi Chaudhary. She became the first woman to command a unit in the Indian Army. 28. Who was the first woman to win the Indian Nobel Prize in Literature? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Kiran Desai. C. Anita Desai. D. Jhumpa Lahiri. Your correct answer is option A, Arundhati Roy. She won the Booker Prize for her novel The God of Small Things in 1997. 29. Who was the first woman to hold the position of the Central Information Commissioner of India? A. Indira Jaising. B. Smita Sirohi. C. Shailaja Chandra. D. Rekha Paliwal. Your correct answer is option B, Smita Sirohi. She served as the CIC in the 1990s. 30. Who was the first woman to win the National Film Award for Best Actress? A. Nargis. B. Meena Kumari. C. Shabana Azmi. D. Smita Patil. Your correct answer is option A, Nargis. She won the first Best Actress award for her role in Mother India, 1957. Great job! You've completed first part of the quiz on the first women achievers of India. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content from EduSpectra. See you in the next video.